Today we're installing this carbon fiber diffuser on this 2018 Audi R8. So first we had to jack up the car. We found the jack points. Next we had to pop the engine cover and then remove the trunk lid. With that in reminder, make sure you test fit the part before you install it. For us, it did fit perfectly, so we went ahead with the installation. To install the carbon, we had to drill a hole through the carbon on this side to put in that screw. These two screws should clip right down here all together. This one was loose, so we had to put another screw in. We had to drill the other hole on this side and these last two screws. Okay, once you're ready to put it in, the bumper is going to slide right into this area and then clip into the slots. Everything's fit into place. We reuse the screws and we're done.
We're installing the original shield, but with this rear diffuser, we have to tuck it in this way, and instead of having it an overlay like the original. Once you slide this in, it's going to sit properly, and the diffuser is going to screw up to the frame where it's going to sandwich the original body shield. We put the T25 torques back into the original spot. This what holds into the frame, so now it's super sturdy. You didn't have to modify this, you didn't have to modify this. Once that's all in, you'll push this up, shoot your 3 screws here, 3 screws there. Pretty much that's it.
Mm-hmm.